You could take a pie, a homemade pie, to anyone and they will not be sad. Pies were a staple in my childhood. You know, every big holiday had pies. I even occasionally had birthday pies instead of birthday cake because I loved pie so much. So my mom made pies my entire childhood, and I thought everyone's mom made pies.
My mother always made pies when I was a child growing up. And so I always had a love of pie. This is my mother's rolling pin that she used probably every single day of her life. And actually, it only has one handle on it.
I get questions all the time like, well, where can I get this recipe? And 9 times out of 10, the answer is, well, you can find that recipe on geappliances.com. It's where all my best recipes go.